Welcome back to Map Instinct. This is a channel where we think it and you map it. So today we'll be looking at how to clip out a raster, clip shape files from a raster file. Alright, to do that you need to head over to your toolbox, your ArcToolbox. This is our ArcToolbox here. If it is not activated, you can click on this, on your menu toolbar here. You see this red box, which is indicating your ArcToolbox. You can click on it and then to bring it up. Alright, but before we do that, make sure you like our channel and also subscribe to our channel to get new topics. To clip out your shapefile from a raster file, you need to head over to your ArcToolbox, select Data Management Tools, and then scroll down until you get to Raster. So we're going to be making use of this Raster toolbox. So click on it or double click on it, and then you now select Raster Processing. Click on this plus sign, and then we now click on Clip. We're going to be clipping out Plateau State from Nigeria. We already have Plateau State shapefile. One of the states in Nigeria here. This is the shapefile. We already have this shapefile here. We want to clip out the SRTM data, that's the elevation data for Plateau State alone. So let's follow this process. We are going to click on Clip, double click on it, and then this dialog box pops up. Your input raster should be your SRTM data, that's your raster file. So this is it. And then the output extent should be Plateau State, because you're extracting the SRTM to fit Plateau State boundary. So we're going to select Plateau State, and then you have to ensure that you check this box which says use input features for clipping geometry. So you click on it, and then your output raster dataset where you want to save the clipped file. Locate your working folder. My working folder is in the C drive, Map Instinct, and then I'll now select data. Make sure you create a working folder that you are going to be using to save your works. So I'm going to call it clipped SRTM. Okay, let me just add Plateau, and then say save. Okay, there's a caution here. It seems the name is too long. I'll just say clip, or let me just say SRTM Plateau, and then save. And then once you're done, you can cross check again and then click on OK when you're satisfied. So you click on OK and allow it to run. Alright, you can see that it has completed the clipping. So you can now, to be sure that what you've done, the operation you carried out was successful, you have to head over to the table of contents again, uncheck this, and then uncheck the SRTM of Nigeria. And now we have the clipped file of Plateau State. It's as simple as that. This is done within minutes. So I can zoom into layer. So this is it. This is the clipped SRTM data of Plateau State, which was extracted from the larger SRTM file of Nigeria. It's as simple as that. This method, going through the data management tools, is only for the raster files. If you are to clip vector files, you will not go through this process. Please check the next video that will be showing you how to clip vector files. This is an entirely different process from clipping out a raster file. So make sure you like our channel and also subscribe to get notified every week. We post videos every week, so stay safe.